This is my app. I have made 0 today. I turn it on. Estimated time 15 to 30 minutes to get a batch. So I'm parked at Stater Brothers right now. So when one pops up, I have to click on it really fast, decide whether I want to take it or not, because it'll disappear. So hopefully I'll get something. So I just got a job here and head to Stater Brothers. I'm at Stater Brothers. They just have 3 items on their list. So yeah, we'll head there and go shop. These are buns, ham, roast beef. Start shopping. So I'm gonna get the buns first. I usually get the dry goods first, refrigerated and frozen last. Found the item, then I scan a barcode. That's done. And I look for the roast beef, ultra thin roast beef. All done. Now I can go to checkout. Go to checkout. Yay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I always put it here because I don't want to do it in the car or outside where it's windy usually. So I click done. Next, enter info. So I have to take a picture of the receipt. Submit it. Next, 1 bag. So when you get the receipt, you take a picture and you hold on to it. You do not give the receipt to the customer. When I get in the car, I usually click next. Oh, confirm receipt. Confirm that you have the receipt. And the next part will give you directions. Give you the address. And when I get in the car, I'll click start delivery. So I'll click navigate here and it'll take me to where I need to go. Just leaving the veterans home, but I wanted to show you this badass tank right in front of it. So this is how much I made so far today. In order to get jobs, you need to stay close to the store. So this is my earnings. View daily earnings. That was the batch, $7 earnings, tips $10, or tips are $3, so it's a total of $10 that I made so far. This is my active times. That's how long it took me to shop to get to the store, pick out the items, and get to my destination. Distance is pending. It was 3 miles. I keep track of that. So does Instacart. They pay you like 37 cents a mile. Off to my next job.